Hello guys, welcome to summerautoparts. This is Summer. Long time no see. Today's video we are going to introduce our main project for Defender. This is the interior headrest for the driver side and the passenger side. We can find this is a full replacement one and very easy to change. This pattern is for celebrate the last year, the Tiger Year in China. So it means the pattern, the logo can be customized at your request if you have interest. The idea came from the L663 classical Range Rover series, which is a flying headrest. So we are going to fit this style for our Defender cars. Let's see how they look after installation. So follow my videos to see how to replace it. So the first step is to remove the original headrest from the car. It's very easy just to take it out. And then the second one, we are going to adjust this size to make it fitment for the car. If it's too long, we need to adjust by these buttons to make it shorter. Then let's go to fit the headrest by this way. So that's finished. It's very easy, and we can find that this style make the car looks more stronger, because I think a lot of rock men like this style. So we can do some compare about the original one and the modification ones. I'd like to know which one do you prefer. Leave your comments on by the end of the videos. So thank you very much for you watch summerautoparts YouTube channel, and come with me to compare this one and let me know. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.